AI is everywhere. Even our youngest learners are exposed to AI. While it may seem strange to talk to kindergarten or first grade students about AI, it is important to begin planting the seeds of AI literacy at an early age. I'm Megan Hoffman, a Technology Integration Specialist with the Southwest West Central Service Cooperative. Of course, young students do not need to know things like how many pieces of information ChatGPT or Gemini are trained on. However, it is important for them to know that AI is a computer program that looks for patterns in information, not a living, breathing, thinking, feeling being. If you are at a loss on how to talk to lower elementary students about AI, Seesaw has developed a few lessons you can use with students and share with families. When you explore the Seesaw library, you will see a category called AI Literacy. There are 2 lessons designed for kindergarten through 2nd grade. What is AI? And engaging with AI. There are other lessons that are geared toward upper elementary students as well. The recordings and activities are editable or ready for you to use with your classes or share with families during Digital Citizenship Week or any other time of the year. For more information and explanations, check out the SWWC Technology Integration channel on YouTube, and remember to click subscribe. Thanks for planting the seeds to create strong roots in AI literacy.